What if you could go from just sitting on the sidelines in government contracting to submitting 10 federal contracts in the next 90 days? No more talking, no more waiting, just real action, real bids, and maybe even your first win. That's exactly why I'm launching the 90-day bid challenge. If you don't know me, my name is Derek, and I won 32 contracts worth over $15 million by my 30th birthday for small business. And today I'm passionate about sharing the truths about winning contracts in government contracting that the industry doesn't tell you. And today I'm going to tell you about something that I'm really excited about, which is the 90-day bid challenge. So here's the undeniable truth about government contracting. Most small businesses in GovCon get stuck. So they register in sam.gov, maybe they get their cage code, and then they freeze. They don't submit enough bids, or they spend months, sometimes years, just learning without ever putting numbers on the board. And when you don't have momentum, you don't win. So that's why I created the 90-day bid challenge, to give you accountability, a system, and the momentum you need to actually submit proposals. Not someday, but now. So here's how it works. The challenge is simple. Respond to 10 federal bids over 90 days. Why 10? Because once you commit to a consistent cadence, you start learning faster, improve your processes, and yes, break through the inertia that actually holds most small businesses back. Now, this isn't just me telling you to go submit bids. I've built an entire framework to support you. So here's what that also looks like. So you will get a custom 90-day roadmap designed for your business, broken down weekly, so you're not just guessing, and you know exactly what you should be doing every day of the 90-day challenge. You'll also get my GovRFP proposal writing system to craft your bids step by step. This is my most comprehensive and proven proposal system that I've built ever, and I'm very proud of it. You'll join weekly accountability and support calls directly with me, so you're never stuck or alone, and you'll also be inspired and motivated by other challenge members who are also taking the challenge with you. At predetermined checkpoints, I will personally be reviewing your bids so that you can get real feedback, not just theory here. And when you start winning, you also get access to our funding partners to help you deliver on the contracts that you land. It's everything that you need, really. Accountability, systems, community, feedback, and even support after you win. So there's only one requirement to join. Your business must already have a cage code. So the next cohort kicks off very, very soon. Enrollment is only open for this week, and after that, the window closes and you'll have to wait for the next one. And listen, this is not an open-ended program. I need to keep things organized so I can best continue to support you. So we only have 10 seats available for this cohort, and some of those are already reserved. Once the remaining spots are gone, again, they're gone until the next cohort. Now, if you are interested, I'll go ahead and walk you through exactly what happens when you join so you know exactly what you can expect. So first, during the enrollment window, you'll either complete payment through a checkout link or schedule a call with one of my team members to get you enrolled if you have additional questions. Right after that, you'll gain access to all the resources and training systems, including the GovRFP proposal writing system and our private community space only for challenge members. In your very first week, you will attend a live orientation session with me and my team where we will walk you through how to get the most out of the challenge and answer any questions that you might have. And from there, you'll move into the rhythm of the program and the challenge itself, which includes, again, weekly accountability calls with me to stay on track, monthly check-ins where we go a bit deeper, celebrate wins, and also keep you focused. Also, don't forget your personal 90-day roadmap, which you'll be updating every single week with your progress as you work towards your 10 contract submissions throughout the challenge. And here's the key, guys. I'll be reviewing your roadmap and your bids at key checkpoints. So you're not just checking boxes or going through motions. I personally need to keep you accountable throughout this. So you're improving every step of the way with direct feedback from me. So when you join, you are not alone, not even close. You're entering into a guided, structured process with support at every stage. Now, what's the cost? The cost to join is $3,000. This is an investment in 90 days of massive action, accountability, and direct support that could change the trajectory of your business forever. Think about it. What's one contract worth to your company? maybe $50,000 in profit or more, at least the contracts that we're going to be going after. So if you're serious about breaking through, this is a no-brainer. Here's how you can join. This week, again, you'll be able to either make payment directly via checkout link, which we will have down below, or schedule a call with a member of my team to lock in and save your seat before they're all gone. If you have any questions, you're hearing this, it sounds great, but you're unsure, email us, support@govkidmethod.com, and use the subject line 90-day challenge so that we know you're serious and we can take care of you that way. Now, I've got to ask you, will you rise to the challenge over the next 90 days? You could keep doing what you've been doing, waiting, hesitating, overthinking, or you could lock arms with me and a small group of other business owners and finally start responding to bids. So this is your formal invitation. It doesn't get more formal than this. If this sounds like the breakthrough that you need, make sure you grab one of those seats during this week's enrollment window. Don't wait. I'm Derek, and I hope to see you inside the 90-day bid challenge.